Hey, today we're going to talk about some accessories you can get for your Ozark Trail little small fire pit. Now these fire pits at Ozark Trail are pretty cheap. I mean, in Walmart they're about between $30 and $40 a piece. I think they're a great value. I have another video on that. I'll stick it right up here where you can take a look. But there's some cool accessories now that have been developed for these fire pits. So I'm going to show you a few of them. Okay, today what we got is some really neat accessories from a company called Change More. Shout out to them. They sent me this stuff to test on the fire pit. Now this is a 7-inch fire pit. There are many companies that make that. This is just the Ozark Trail cheaper model, but solo there's a bunch of other folks that make these that this will probably work on. So anyway, I've got these this 7-inch tabletop fire burner cap. So we're going to test that out. That is supposed to give us a fuller combustible flame, and then we have this neat little mat here. The wooden tray comes with two of these nifty little holders, as you can see right here. They'll hold your skews and other rod-shaped things, and it also comes with these grill mats, and these grill mats prevent the extra heat from that to hurting wood surfaces and so forth. So let's check that out. What to do is light the fire pit. I'm using wood pellets this time and some fat wood there, so we'll let that light, and then we are going to see and set us a little station up here. In this box here we have the tabletop fire pit mat. This says this product features round pad made of wood that helps insulate the surface from high temperatures of tabletop stoves. So we're going to set this down right here. It goes this way because if you look on the side here, it's got two little handles there. So we're going to do that. We're going to set the fire pit right here, and it's got this, and what this is used for, this is used to hold your utensils, as you can kind of see from the picture right there. Okay, so it is still starting to light, and we're going to compare the standard cover with the new cover also. Okay, now that the thing's kind of gassing, it's kind of windy out here today, so pardon the flame flickering, but it is gassing. So currently I have the top that came on it. So okay, I have this thing seasoned, but this is a piece of cast iron I got from one of those green egg retailers. It was like $10, and this thing fits perfectly right here. So that's one accessory you can get, and it allows you to put smaller pots and pans on here, but we're not talking about this today. You can see right now it has a pretty wide flame pattern, and what this is claiming that it will have a more focused flame. So let's put it on there and attempt this at home because this is very hot, but I'm going to take this, put it here. I'm going to attempt to put this on without burning myself. You would obviously put this on first, and to keep you from burning yourself, I want to do this. Again, do not attempt this at home. There's a lot of wind here. So this is claiming that it will focus the flame more. It is actually helping for wind. So if you're in a windy day, I already see this is helping with that. Wow, this makes a big difference for wind. It does focus the flame a little bit more. Okay, it also comes with this this little focusing ring, I guess it calls it. So it allows the flame to be even more condensed. So let's see. That didn't really make too much difference there, but that is a nice little setup. And it is gassing pretty good with this. So it did help with the large amount of wind. So we're going to do the reverse. We're going to remove it and see. I'm going to take this off right here. Put this here, and we will attempt to remove this. I really need some different type of pliers to do this. That is a very good focus flame, so we're going to take this off. Now the flame is everywhere, you see? So it's a very windy day. Flame is everywhere. Put this on. Focus flame. Yeah, I really like this. Okay, so we're going to take this off, and we are going to put on the original factory one, and let's see what it does. Flame is kind of all over the place. That does help a little bit too. But I would argue that that one focuses the flame even more. It's extremely windy out here right now. You can kind of tell from the ripples on the pond, and with this Change More adapter, it is still burning. Without the Change More adapter, it actually went out. Didn't get that on film, but it went out. You just have to trust me on that. But this is really good for windy conditions.
Shout out to Change More for sending me these devices so I can test on this 7-inch Ozark Trail fire pit. I will be putting these little accessories in my fire kit so when I go camping, because the biggest takeaway from this is that you can protect your table with this, and you can also help with a lot of wind on your small fire pit. So y'all have a great day, and hope this helps you make an informed buying decision. I'll put some links for these products below. Have a great day.